With an AudioStream adapter, you can stream phone calls straight to your Rondo 3 audio processor. This video will show you how.
For a phone call, make sure your AudioStream adapter is plugged in to your Rondo 3. Check that your AudioStream adapter is paired with your phone and a Bluetooth connection is established. To start a phone call, proceed as you normally would on your mobile phone. The sound from your phone call will be automatically streamed to your Rondo 3. Speak into your phone's microphone once your conversation partner answers. To receive a phone call, simply accept the call on your phone. Speak into your phone's microphone and enjoy your conversation.
And that's it. Now you can start making phone calls with your AudioStream adapter.